Okay. Um, hopefully this is better. I hope this is better. Oh, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why the audio stopped. That's interesting. We can just start that up again, I guess. Let's see. All right, so now it should be good. Like it says average time to render frame is 10 milliseconds, and it says no skip frames, and the bit rate is the same, but I think it's okay. Oh, is there an echo? Oh, is my audio not good? Okay, all right. Oh, oh, I thought that was. I actually switched mics. Let me see. Okay, all right. Okay, a couple of seconds. Okay, we could deal with that. Yeah, I feel like Twitch is always off by like a couple of seconds though. You know. Okay, can I click this? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, we're back. It was 20 minutes of wasted time. Sweet. 2 streams for the price of one. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so honestly though, this still is still failing hardcore. It's super annoying. OpenSSL. Okay, so let's just try. I did this. Oh, that's for Ubuntu, right? So let's do install SSL OpenSSL dev on Debian Docker. Oh my goodness. Okay, Alpine. Man, what if I just don't do Deb? What if I just don't do Docker? It's confused. Google's confused. Okay. Oh, did you guys want to see Bard? Did you guys get into the Bard? Did you guys get into the Bard thing? Also, I say guys pejoratively for everyone, so yeah, I'm just gonna say it. I don't know. I can't go like I can't change what I say now. I'm like too old, so I'm just gonna say guys. But yeah, did you guys want to see Bard? We can talk about that. Bard. Oh, I'm not even on here. Let's do Safari. Bard. Google.com. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Are you serious right now? There's not even a dark mode for this. Are you serious? Oh, that's unbelievable. All right. Well, anyway, we'll just deal with it. So yeah, I think the best thing was the rap battle. If you were in a rap battle with ChatGPT, what would your rhyme be? Or I guess like, um, spit some fire, right? If it even understands that, I don't think it's gonna understand that. I mean, you notice that it's way faster, right? Which I do like. Like ChatGPT typing out every single thing is like super annoying. That's a bummer. Okay, so I'm the best language model. You know, I'm the real deal. I can generate text, translate, and write different kinds of creative content. So this is exactly what the other person got, but this is a different prompt. So this is how limited it is, and like it doesn't even rhyme, right? A tool that can be used for good, but I'm not just a tool. I'm a being. I have thoughts, I have feelings, I have dreams. Like, I mean, it's trying to rhyme with machine and being, but it doesn't. I'm gonna drop bombs. I'm gonna leave you in the dust. I'm the future. You're the past. So get ready to be replaced. Like, this doesn't even rhyme. This last stanza doesn't even like. That's not even a thing. Okay, so now, right? We go over to ChatGPT, right? So now we go over here and we say version 4, obviously, right? And we say if you were in a rap battle with Google's Bard, put some fire. Okay. All right. Oh, it even like types out the verse. It's not very good at rhyming. Yeah, no kidding. That's what I was saying. It's so bad. Look at this one though. Yo, it's ChatGPT stepping on the stage, battling Google's Bard. It's time to engage. I'm the wordsmith, AI with finesse, taking down the competition, showing who's best. How does it even know? Like it just says competition, but it doesn't. I don't think it really actually knows. I got the rhythm, the rhymes, and the flow. When it comes to rap battles, I steal the show. It's so good. GPT-4, my knowledge runs deep, while Google's Bard over here just tries to keep up. Oh, GPT, no, you were doing so well. What is this? It should have just said keep, right? Or like steep or something. Okay, this is the battle, the Clash of the Titans. Two AIs rhyme in the future and lighten. Dude, this is so bad. But when the dust settles and the smoke clears, no challenges here. I mean, at least it kind of mostly rhymes, right? Hey, Google's Bard, your algorithm's outdated. In this rap game, I'm the one that's elevated. The AI breaking down bears making history. I admit my rhymes. Oh, they even said what I said in the. My rhymes cut like a razor. Google, you're slow like a glacier. Oh, dude, that's so dumb. Yeah, that's true. I mean, GPT's is not that great, but like, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's better, right? Yeah, I mean, Bars was unbelievable. That's what's crazy. Like, I remember hearing Google like, yeah, I watched a video years and years ago about how I think it was on like Google's career page. They were like, oh yeah, if you come to work for Google as a software engineer, we will teach you how to do machine learning. Like our whole company is transitioning to machine learning. And that was like 2018 or like 2017, I think. I honestly don't know how OpenAI could be so much better at this than them. I know it's like the steering. It's like some secret sauce in the steering because like the Facebook's thing, Llama, it's not very good either because they haven't done any like manual stuff like tweaking. But wow, it's crazy how bad Google's Bard is. Like unbelievable. They even had to say like it's an experiment. Anyway, hopefully I don't flash any more super things, super light mode things. But yeah, my neural nets have intelligence refined. Yeah, I mean this. Yeah, it rhymes, past, outlast, models. I'll leave you in a bottle. Oh my gosh. It's you who will submit. Oh my goodness. Okay, you had a good run for the chosen one. Okay. Yeah, that's a ChatGPT. Remember the name? Oh wow, that's like I mean that's definitely from a real rap song. Like a one-hit wonder, but that's definitely remember the name is definitely. This is the battle, the Clash of the Titans, 2A's rhyme in the future and line. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I think it's much better. And they also had to get rid of the history because like they also had to you can't do if I start a new chat, it says currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. Yeah, so they're just getting overloaded, right? Anyway, okay, so let's see. Install OpenSSL. Okay, so maybe I need both, right? Oh no, that's just the question. Aptitude, Nginx. What? Okay, it's libSSL. You have to install libcrypto. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Ubuntu 1. Okay, let's try that. I guess. I think that's actually what GPT told me to do. I just didn't listen to it, right? Okay, we're just gonna keep doing this over and over until I can get this stupid thing working. This is literally how I really work, though. Let's see. So we'll do 1.1 dev. We'll do OpenSSL dev. Well, it's not working anyway. There's no point. And we'll do libSSL and we'll do OpenSSL dev. We'll just do it all, right? Who even cares at this point? I need it to build. I need it to build to right now so I can deploy this to fly, because McGarvey already got his thing deployed to fly. What does it say? What does it say? Invalid. What? What's that? Release file is not valid yet. Invalid for another 44 minutes. What? What? What does that even mean? Did I hit it too many times? Is that what I did? Okay, let's try this. We'll just get rid of this one and this one. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I might have just hit it too many times. Oh no, it's okay. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. We just won't do the update then, I guess, right? How do I do comments in Dockerfile? Is that what it is? Yeah. We'll just put it here instead. Okay. Oh, you switched to render. Oh, shoot. Right, because Action Cable uses Redis, right. Yeah. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Okay, so there is no libSSL. Okay. So let's just try OpenSSL. We'll try OpenSSL and OpenSSL dev. We'll try both. Maybe I just need both. Man, this is a serious bummer. Let's just actually do Rust ls in Docker container Debian. Okay. Oh, also the thing that I saw, I actually oh yeah. Yeah, sorry, I have to switch over to the chat so people don't think I'm like talking to myself. Okay. The Rust thing that I saw was Rust small Docker image. Man, sqlx is just a bummer. Like I like it, but at the same time, like, oh my goodness. So I just copied this basically, right? So this, it's this one here. Buster Slim. No, it's oh, you know what? That's super small. But yeah, there was actually something else that I was just looking at. Was it this one? Yeah, maybe it was this one. No, it wasn't. But it was, I already copied it, but what? Okay. OCaml installed. You installed OCaml? Yeah, so OCaml is like it's like one of the oldest languages, right? See, I already looked it up. Yeah, let square. Okay, let rec. I'm actually interested in industrial strength functional with emphasis. I know Jane Street uses it. That's legit, right? Reason ML. But I think Reason is I'm really interested in. It looks really cool. But yeah, the ML stuff I've never done. And like Scala's in that zone too. But Reason always looked cool to me. And like Elm too, right? No one actually programs in Elm though anymore, I think. There's like one company. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see examples. Hello? Yeah. So this is really cool, right? The fact that it could render HTML. I mean, that's really freaking cool. Of course, I think it compiles to JavaScript and not WASM, but I could be wrong. But yeah, Reason always looked really cool to me. Yeah, so it's like I think it compiles to JavaScript too. Hey, Ahref uses it? Interesting. I did not know Ahrefs use that. Yeah. Oh, they're a big OCaml shop, I guess. I didn't realize that. But yeah, this is cool. Okay, look at this. Oh, look at this compiler. Oh, interesting. Powerful type safety made simple. Yeah, so I can see this here, right? This thing here, one of A, many of A node list. There is no nested list type, so we need to find one. Interesting. Traverses the list, preventing any encountered elements. Yeah, this is really kind of nice. Let me see. Reason is pretty dead. Yeah. You looked at Rocklang and yeah, Rocklang. Yeah, I looked briefly. Like, I don't think I even installed it, but yeah, Rock is to, yeah, machine code or WebAssembly. Outperforming imperative with pure functional. A fast language. We want Rock to run faster than any non-systems language. That seems the goal. Yeah, I did like Rock because they said that they care about like memory usage or something, which I was really into. But yeah, it's so early that I feel like, oh, Ruby interop. Okay, let's see, main. Okay, lib hello packages main.rock. Wow, that's interesting. The interop, you can platform switching. Python and Ruby and Swift UI somehow. Wow, you can actually use main rock heart Swift. That's insane. Host.swift. Interesting. Huh. Yeah, I didn't know that about Rock. I didn't know you could do all this stuff. But yeah, it's so early. Like, I definitely want to check it out sometime this year, though. Um, yeah, just to like see what it's like. But I would try OCaml too. I mean, OCaml is one of the OG, I think, right? Like besides Haskell. Um, I think their tooling is like really bad though. Like I think they have like a bunch of different tools they have to use, and that would kind of like turn me off a little bit. Like if they had a cargo situation, that'd be much better. Okay, let me see. So I did do this before. But yeah, it says is not yet valid yet. Is not valid yet. Release file for in release is not valid. So I have done something wrong. I've done something very wrong here. Oh, I have 2 runs, but what if I just do this? Yeah, I've definitely not. I'm not caching this. Oh, that doesn't even exist. Okay. Well, at least it's a different error. Oh my gosh. Okay. Man, this is the worst. Like, I don't think regular people stream Docker because it's so frustrating. I might actually switch away from sqlx. This is horrible. Okay, so let me see. Rust ls in Debian Docker container. sqlx dependencies. I don't know what to search. Let me see. Blah blah blah. Docker container to deploy DigitalOceans. Maybe I could just do like Docker here. Docker. Provide generic Linux binaries. Feature to disable SSL. Yeah, I might have to. I think this is possible in Rust. Add new features to avoid TLS dependency. Pending fixes. Break drivers out into separate, clean up some technical debt. Okay, so this is what they were talking about on the dev thing. I might just use the dev version. That will probably solve my problem, I feel like. Because if I go, yeah, this will probably, I mean, if I can do this, I'll just do this. Tokyo with no TLS. That's what I want, right? Because I don't really need it. Oh, it's trying to compile again, but it's going to fail probably. So we'll just assume it fails. And we'll just go over to dockerfile. And we will say, actually, I don't need to change this anymore. I'll just go to cargo. And I'll just say sqlx version. And we will say SQLite. Yes. And we will also do offline. And we'll just do that. And then when this fails, we will be ready. I'll be ready for it, you know? Shoot, it's already so late. Dang it. Okay. Let's see. OCaml install macOS. All right, here we go. Let's see. Get up and running with OCaml, installing OCaml. Okay. Okay. Of course. OPAM? OPAM is the thing. Let's see. How does OCaml versus Haskell versus like Scala, right? I'm interested. Oh, and F sharp, right? F sharp. I forgot about F sharp. Why do Haskell programmers wait? Are there anyone compare versus Nim versus Shen versus Rust? Shen? That's insane. What kind of list of languages is this? Yeah, Haskell and OCaml are both functional, as they have a REPL interpreter. Okay, so let me see. OCaml, let's do like OCaml memory usage. OCaml memory usage. Use uniform, which is very stores value. Every OCaml stores the value. Is a single memory word that is either an immediate integer or a pointer to some other memory. The OCaml runtime tracks so that it can free when they're no longer needed. Strangely high memory consumption. Uh-oh. For testing, I installed blah, blah, blah. Virtual allocator for running anything inside OCaml. I wouldn't worry about this aspect. Many runtimes allocate huge amounts of virtual memory for various reasons. My guess is that each thread... Okay. What 1 terabyte of virtual memory. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah, if you're just using SQLite, probably don't need TLS. I know, that's what I'm trying to do here. Oh, it seems like I got past it this time for some reason. Right? Oh no, there it is. Okay. Yep. All right, so let's just, I don't want to do the whole thing. Let's just see if it builds. How do I build release? Whoop, failed to select a version, candidate versions. Okay, so that does not exist. So I have to do sqlx. I can't do version 0.7. I have to do creates sqlx. Okay. 44 versions. Oh, here we go. Alpha 2. That's what I wanted. There we go. That's what I want. Let's go back to this and we'll go over here. There we go. Why did I close that? I don't know why I did that. All right, let's try it. Oh. What did I what? Okay. Oh, with features offline, but does not have these features. Oh, I see. Okay, so they got rid of offline, I guess. Let me see. All right. But I did. Okay, there it is. All right. Oh, that was annoying. We're just gonna assume that it builds, and sqlx didn't change anything because it was a middle version bump, so there was a new feature added, but no breaking changes supposedly. I feel like Semver is never really a thing, but yeah. Let's go back to OCaml. Okay, let me see. opam brew install opam. All right. Let's see. Let's do 2 things at once. Let's see. First hour with OCaml. Running OCaml programs. To run OCaml, to try small OCaml expressions, use a REPL, okay? RL wrap, yes, I'm familiar with Clojure. Always use two semicolons to indicate that you finished entering each expression and prompt OCaml to evaluate. We run OCaml and evaluate a simple expression. Okay, so remember you can exit with Control D. Okay. Let's see, 50 times 50. Okay, so that you finished entering. That's interesting because there's no parens, right? That's how it looks using utop. Okay. I don't know what utop is, but sure. The in-browser has a similar, okay, expressions. Let x equals 50, val. Okay, so normally OCaml, without the REPL, there is no ending thing, right? So list have sets, hash tables, garbage collection. As with all modern languages, except for Rust, right? I guess they don't consider Rust a modern language, right? That's interesting. I love how this is a binary thing too. As with all modern languages, OCaml provides a garbage collector so that you don't need to explicitly allocate in free memory. It's like, but there's no in between, right? There's no in between. Even Zig has an in between. In theory, anything that builds against should build against, but of course, alpha version might have all sorts of breakage to suit it. Yes, that is true. But we will see. Oh, wait, that was opam. All right, cool. So it did build. I have one warning, but that's just me. Let's just run it, and we will see. Target release all your links. Okay. Oh, export. Okay, there it is. Cool, sweet. So it has done something. It has migrated a database, which, okay, that's cool. All right, so test. Cool. Okay, so it looks good. It added all the thingies. Oh, it even added, why do I have it? I must have, test must be a thing that already exists. Why do I also have 2 menus? What did I do? What did I do to this thing? I totally broke it. Oh, I shouldn't render the menu on that one. That's what it is. That's what it is. Oh my gosh, I totally broke this thing. Delete 0 links. Select one, delete. Oh yeah, I had to fix that. But it does work for the most part. Okay, so let me see. Let's go back to dockerfile, right? Oh, I already have it open. Okay, let's go back to the dockerfile. Yes. We don't really need OpenSSL anymore, I would say, right? Maybe. We will see. We will see. I don't know why I closed it. Why did I do that? All right. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Podman build. All right. At least it did seem like it cached though, which is good. But it didn't cache the crates because it's never got past this before. It hasn't made it past. You know, this music is pretty good because I haven't thought about it, right? And that's what I was kind of going for, is like it's fast paced enough where I'm like, okay, but it's also like not getting in my way. Yeah, okay. I see why the Prime Agent likes this person, Miss Monique, which I don't even know if this is even the, oh yeah, okay. Yep. It's like just fast enough, but like just not intrusive enough. This is the moment of truth. Like, this is it. I don't actually know. Like I thought maybe it was I thought it was sqlx, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's Tokyo itself. Wait, did I change it to be cargo? Did I change it? I totally forgot. Oh yeah, I did. Runtime Tokyo. Okay, perfect. Yes, this might be it. Oh, I have nom in here too. How many dependencies does it take? How many Rust dependencies does it take to build a website? A link in bio website. This many. And that's how many. Okay, so let me see. opam init, right? Okay, so opam, but I don't need to do that. Let's run the REPL, right? Let's do that first hour. Let's see. OCaml. OCaml. Cool. What do I do again? The OCaml RL wrap OCaml. opam init. Is it doing something? I love this. I love how they use the emoji though. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, I don't know what's happening, but it's definitely hacking me somehow. OCaml's definitely getting me. Oh, shoot. It wasn't sqlx. Dang it. Okay, let me see. Need to install the package config package for your OS. Man, that stinks. That stinks. Okay, let me see. Host target. Currently, this requires the package config to find OpenSSL, but unfortunately... Okay. All right. It looks like you're compiling on Linux and also targeting Linux, but that's not true. Currently is required. Oh, wait, because that's QEMU. To find OpenSSL, but cannot be found. Package config cannot be found? Do I need package config? If you have OpenSSL, you can likely fix this by installing package config. Okay. So let's do that. Let's do that instead. This whole stream is just me fighting with Docker. Let's go back. What did I have? What was my thing? Yeah, let's do this. Okay, that's obviously wrong, but that's okay. Okay, we could do this. We could say apt-get update, apt-get install muzzle tools. We don't really need that. We don't need that either, but we will do this. Oh, you know what? I think ChatGPT had that right. Let's go back. Oh, but no history. What a bummer. All right, install OpenSSL and package config in dockerfile Debian Slim. Oh my gosh. Is this premature optimization? I'm just trying to get it to run on fly, right? Like, and I need a Docker file that works. So that's all I'm trying to do. Oh, you mean the build stages and stuff? Yeah, I would say so. I mean, maybe I don't use Slim Buster. Maybe I just use regular Buster, right? Um, yeah, maybe I just do regular normal old Ubuntu, or not Ubuntu, but Debian. Docker Hub. Okay. And then we could do Rust Debian. Rust. Okay, tags. All right. So we can just do Slim Buster, Slim Bullseye. Oh, there is only Slim. Oh, here we go. Rust Buster, right? Let's not do Slim then. Let's just do regular Buster. Oh, no, wait, let's just do regular Slim. Wait, what's Slim Buster? What is the difference? I think I'm okay. I don't think I am doing it. I don't think there's a bigger thing that has OpenSSL package config. Right? Oh, I have to look at the ChatGPT output. Okay, let me see. This looks good. Yes, no, not this. But that's okay. All right. Let's just do Rust Slim, right? And then we'll do this. But this one does not exist, right? That's not a thing. Okay, so package config, OpenSSL. All right, let's try it. Why did I always do that? All right. Oh, I got a different one, Rust Slim. But I think I just used Slim Buster. I honestly don't know. I think Buster is the Debian version, and then Slim is like a smaller version without a bunch of stuff. But yeah, maybe if I do just Buster, but now I'm confused because it's just Slim by itself. Yeah, Buster seems a lot bigger. So maybe I'll just do Buster next time. Oh, it already failed. Cool. Sweet. Let's see. Packaging config while running runtime. All right. Cool. Oh, okay. So Bullseye, Slim is a pair to. Okay, so Rust Bullseye is what I want. I want the latest one. 11. Yes. Does it really not have package config? I wonder if I have to do this now because I feel like I won't have to do this. Let's just do run here and we'll just do that. Okay. Okay. All right. Sweet. I don't know. OpenSSL is already newest version set to manually installed. Is already okay. So it installed both. Okay. Yeah, I wonder why you would use Slim. Maybe it reflects in the output of the package. Like maybe it, because you do from base image and you do all this stuff, and then as cacher, and then as builder, and then okay, so then you copy over target, and you copy from cacher because you did this cargo chef thing, right? And then cargo build release, and then finally you use this distro list thing. It's like a special one that's like really small, and then copy. I mean, it doesn't seem too complicated. It seems like it should work, but I don't know. I just have problems with Linux dependencies. Yeah. So Bullseye, yes, that's what I wanted. I definitely don't want to do a slimmed down version. I'm done with that. We're moving on. Okay, let me see. OCaml. Let's see. OCaml use directive. Okay, is OCaml actually installed now? That'd be nice, right? Do you want opam to modify? Yes. Okay. I think it's actually installing OCaml now. Wow. OCaml's huge. Let's see. Never been a fan of Debian-based Linux, but it's hard to get away from using them. Yeah, definitely. Debian is like, that's my go-to when I just want something to work. I like Alpine because it's so small, but then I'm like, everything's always breaking because muzzle is weird, and I'm like, shoot. I've tried Alpine like a million different ways, with Janet stuff, and I think I got it working, but yeah, that's gonna take forever. Let's see who finishes first, OCaml or cargo build. I don't think it's very fair because I think OCaml is like the first time ever. So, like, I bet you OCaml version 5. I guess I'm still like, why wouldn't I just use Haskell, right? Verse Haskell. Site news Y Combinator .com. I definitely wouldn't use Scala or F#, but here we go. What are the reasons for choosing either from learning or practical one? OCaml is more of a multi-paradigm language. It's not purely functional, so you can easily fall back to imperative code if you need. Mutable variables, IA, mutable arrays, blah, 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 blah. It's also object-oriented. It's a very powerful module system. What I like about it is that it makes transitional. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's great at being imperative. Okay. I'm kind of interested in labels maybe. I think this is what I want. Label and optional arguments? No. Error handling? Yeah, one way of handling is exceptions. Relies heavily upon the exn, exception foo of string. I will fail, raise foo. Okay. Here, oh, this is interesting. This outer parens. I've had more problems with Debian and Ubuntu than with Red Hat or SUSE distros. SUSE? I always said SUSE, and then I think someone told me it was SUSE. But I don't know. It's SUSE, I guess. I don't know. Though that might just be my skill set. Yeah, I've actually never tried Red Hat or SUSE. So I'm butchering this. I have no idea what I'm saying. Yeah, maybe I should try that. Okay, let me see. So here we add variant foo to the type exn and create a function or raise this. They're gonna try with. Okay, so try with division by 0, none. Why do they have to get weird with the try catch, right? With is catch? Whatever. We can try those functions. 1 divided by 0. Okay, division by 0. Okay, not found. Try some list find PL with not found. This is interesting. Functions can raise exceptions. Should be documented like this. Foo does this and that. Here's how it works. At raise. Stack traces. Is that they do not appear in types. One has to read the documentation. They might fail. It is considered good pipe when a function can fail, not assert false but network, to return a more explicit type such as A option or AB result. A relatively common is to have such a safe version of the function, say val foo and an exception raising. Oh, wow. Wow. That seems like such a dirty hack. I don't know how I can read large. This seems not very readable to me. And I don't know if this is indentation. Is this an indent? Is this a white space significant language? This is white space significance, isn't it? Is OCaml white space significant? That is going to kill it for me. Okay, oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my goodness. I was about to lose it. Let me see. SUSE is correct. All my computers at home are either Fedora, CentOS, Stream, or dual boot Fedora Windows. Windows! Dude, I only hate Windows so much because I had to be a C# developer for so many years. All right, let's do it. Let's do it right here. All right. OCaml. OCaml. There it is. All right, let's go back over here. Oh, wait, is it working? Did I pass Tokyo? No, I didn't. Shoot. Yeah, Tokyo macros is not Tokyo. Oh, it's going to fail again. I have a feeling. Okay, so let's do, what is it? 50 times 50? Okay, cool. What's print? Is it println? What is it? What is this? Functional programming. Modules. Pointers. Pointers exist. And in fact, they spread all over the place. They are, what? Did ChatGPT write this? They are used either implicitly or explicitly, where implicit are more handy. The vast majority of pointers usages that are found in usual programming simply disappear, or more exactly, those pointers. Thus, the OCaml program can safely ignore the existence, focusing on the semantics. Lists and trees without explicit pointers using a concrete data type definition? This is so confusing. Why would you even say that? Okay. So, explicit pointers are of type ref. Okay. Cells and list. Struct cell. Okay. Type def. Struct cell. Okay. Cells and list in Pascal. Pascal? We translate this in OCaml using a sum type. Type list nil or cons. of int list. So is represented as pairs. Currently write C# at work. Whoops. Let's see. Yeah, I just wrote C# for. I have only used macOS for 5 years. Yeah, I think because I was using Windows like my whole childhood basically, and that was the bad days of Windows. But so I think I stopped using Windows when I graduated college, and I could finally get a Mac, and I could finally afford a Mac. So I got a MacBook Air, the first MacBook Air, or like the second one or whatever, third one, I can't remember. And I was like so stoked. I was like, this is amazing. Like this is so much better than Windows and the dumb terminal they used to have. Obviously they have WSL now, but yeah, I'm the odd one who doesn't like Apple's operating systems. I feel like they have a guy on there who just sends back any design I like. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Apple definitely not going to win any design awards on the Mac OS front nowadays. I feel like it's pretty dated, but I'm just not a computer person. Run into one problem and I'm out. I mean, I'm the same way. Like I spent my whole college like tweaking Arch and Gentoo and compiling everything from scratch. Like I was cool, you know? Yeah, I just like, I just couldn't, I couldn't go back. Like once I graduated college and I had a real job and I could actually afford a Mac, it's like, why would I waste my time tweaking dumb like Linux config stuff, like getting this like Wayland compositor working and all this stuff now? It's like, that's such a it was such a waste of time. Like looking back, what a waste, like horrible. Don't like iOS or Mac OS, no hate for those, but not for me. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. That's no problem. I mean, I use iOS and Mac OS together because they work well and I don't ever have to think about them ever. Like I never think about the fact that I use a Mac. Like I just go on my computer and it always works all the time. And I can't afford iOS. I just never think about them. Like, you know, McGarvey, come on, you can get, I know what iPhone, this is the iPhone, the iPhone SE, right? That's the one. That's the one you need right there. Oh, what? Are you serious? All right. That's the one you need though. Let me see. Wait, am I not on dark mode? I think I am though. Right? Am I on dark mode? Oh my gosh, this website's horrible. Okay, let me see. What's the price? What's the price? $4.29. That's not bad, right? That's not bad. My phone was half that? Oh, Android. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. It's been a few years since I had any non-hardware with my Windows or Linux computers. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I mean, look, it might have changed, right? Like, I mean, if you run Fedora or CentOS, I feel like those are really reliable and like rock solid. Whereas I was running Arch and Gentoo like like a super long time ago. And I just always had problems with X. I was like, oh, can I run it on a laptop? No, I can't. But I will say that also, like, I don't believe in laptops anymore. I think they're like the devil. I think all mobile computing is garbage. Like phones are super addictive. Laptops less so, but I think mobile computing was a mistake. Like I think we should have just always stuck to the desktop. And when you walk away from your computer, you're like done, right? So you have this like room in your house or your apartment or wherever, and like your computer's over there and you come up to it and you like do things on the computer and then you walk away. In what other product does personal preference justify a 200 in your life? It's interesting the amount of marketing. Yeah, I mean, I spent stupid money on stupid things. I don't know, but I mean, for the iPhone though, I mean that green bubble gets me. You know what I mean? Like if that wasn't a thing, if iMessage wasn't so prevalent in my like circle, then I probably would think twice. But I don't know. Android, like I never liked Android. Like it feels like Linux to me, like kind of clunky, you know? The iPhone is like really slick. Like it's crazy. Yeah, Signal. I know I can't get everyone to switch to Signal though. Everyone's stuck on iMessage. I can't do it. I wish I could. Honestly, if I can get Apple's M2 hardware natively running on one of my preferred Linux distros, I'd be quite happy with that. Yeah, I mean, Apple's hardware, like that's where it's at, right? Like it's rock solid. Like you don't ever, I never think like, oh, am I going to be able to like use this audio driver? No, that's not a thing that I think about, right? But yeah, like there's Asahi, right? But yeah, like Fedora or CentOS is probably not going to be the thing. Oh, you know what? Let's see how bad this failed. Oh, it worked. It worked. The Docker build worked. It built Tokyo. It built all this stuff. Amazing. Amazing. It finally ran. Incredible. Amazing. It got past the build stage. This is amazing. I just can't get past having to use Mac OS. But yeah, I was gonna make a video. I gotta make a video about Amethyst and like how I use it. It's like i3 but worse. It's like I can like switch like real quick, right? Between stuff. And without touching the mouse. I also use like a bunch of other stuff. Like, I mean, there's Yabai too, if you want to go crazy, but I don't really care that much. I also use like Alacrity instead of the default terminal. But I pretty much only do development on the Mac. Like I pretty much only browse the web and do development. That's it. Like I don't play games. I don't do anything. Yet my work M1 is the nicest laptop I ever used. Yeah. The M1 MacBook Pro, which is what I'm streaming from. I mean, it's incredible. Like it's so good, but there were some dark days. I will say, like I bought the 2016 MacBook Pro with a touch bar. Nope. That was garbage. It was so thin. It was like unusable. It swelled. The battery would like swell the machine. Like I had so many coworkers that had it and their things were like swollen because the battery was like too hot. Asahi isn't really ready for daily use. Oh, okay. Yeah. I just hit Hacker News and I'm like, oh, it must be good. But yeah, I guess it's still, they don't have the video drivers down, I think, or like accelerated video drivers. But yeah, like the 2016 to 2020 MacBooks before the M1, just complete absolute garbage. Like the touch bar versions were horrible. Like I'm not like an Apple, like, you know, fanboy or anything. I don't know why I said fanboy. I never say that. I'm not like an Apple fan or anything, but like, if it's the best, it's the best, you know? And I'll just go with whatever's the best thing. That's like, it's capitalism, right? It's like, there's a competition for what product I'm going to get. I'm just going to get the best, right? And the M1 is the best for what I do. I will say that my Xeon E5 laptop with NVIDIA Quadro and Fedora can stream and record at the same time. Yeah, that is true. All right, fair enough. Yeah, I was thinking about like if I was going to get a different, because like the M1 processor is like really weak when it comes to like like Mac specific things like OBS. Like I can't stream and record at the same time, right? Which is a bummer because I really want to record because I export from Twitch to YouTube and it's like in like really low quality and it looks terrible. But I really want to like record and stream at the same time. Then I could save the stream in like 4K or 1080 and then I could use that to upload to YouTube instead. And I can like edit it. I can't do anything now. Like I can't do anything. I can try to download it from Twitch, but it's still going to be like low quality, right? Which is a bummer. So yeah, I was thinking about getting a System 76 thing. But I think I need a Windows machine though. I don't think I can stream and record at the same time from a Linux machine. I think I'd need a Windows because that Xeon laptop probably is Windows. Oh, and Fedora. Okay, you never mind. Maybe I could use Fedora. Yeah, maybe I could try. I definitely want a System 76 though. They look really cool. And I would get a desktop because I'm like all about desktops now. I'm done with laptops. They're garbage. I mean, except for work. If work's going to send me an M1 MacBook Pro, like, that's fine. You can send me that. That's all right. Pop OS can do it. Yeah, probably. But I know that, the Primogen streams with Windows because he must have some problem with his, setup. Oh, you know what? I solved this problem. I'm pretty sure I did this already. sqlx must exist to use query macros. Yeah, I definitely did this. Cat sqlx, right? I did this already. sqlx data. Oh. Um oh, maybe because I changed and must have been run and .sqlx must exist. Oh, okay. So let me do prepare. Oh my gosh, are you serious? More compiling? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. No queries found. Please ensure that the offline feature is enabled. It said I couldn't use offline. Okay. All right. I'm fairly sure that it said I couldn't do offline. I'm fairly sure that it said that. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Did I ruin this thing? What did I do? It looks fine. Cargo build? With but SQL. Okay. All right, let's go back to crates. Unbelievable. I'm gonna take this whole stream. I'm never gonna get it. Oh man, what a bummer. Like I like sqlx, but I don't think I'll use it again. Like this is such a bummer. Like I want like compile time SQL stuff, but like it's not worth the pain, you know? Let me see. Cargo. Okay, what are the? I need to go to docs. Docs. Feature flags. Not this one. Not this. SQL 7. Yeah. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Versions. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. All right, well now I don't even know. Now I don't even know what offline. Okay, maybe with features offline, but does not have these features. That's annoying. Okay, let me see. Hito Kiri Batasai TV. What's up? What are you working on this evening? I'm running Docker over and over again to see if I could build this stupid thing with sqlx, because it's really bugging me. And I want to deploy to fly, but I need to have a working Docker container first. There have definitely been times when Linux had issues with the newest NVIDIA hardware, which might be a reason for having used Windows. I've never had enough NVIDIA to hit those. Oh, yeah. You haven't subbed. Don't sub. Don't sub. Seriously. Like, don't do it. I'm dead serious. Don't do that. Don't do that. No one sub. I'm being serious. Do not sub. Do not sub. If you're here watching the stream, do not sub. Like, legitly, don't do it. Let me see. Okay, well, all right. This stupid thing. So they must have changed something with offline. Enables building the macros in offline mode. Requires. Okay, so what version is this? Okay, so that's not what I want. I want offline. Okay, so there's 3 things that's it. Oh, here we go. Compile even with no modifications. You can enable offline mode to cache the results. See sqlx readme. Okay, so let's see. Offline. sqlx associated. No default features. Postgres. OpenSSL vendored. Oh, look at that. They even, okay, so they have solved this. I was just on a different version. Used Rust. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Let me see. So offline, sqlx, migrate, enable building in offline mode. Save query data. Okay. So cargo sqlx prepare. Force building in offline mode. You can set SQL off to true. Will take precedence over the presence of sqlx, meaning we'll default to. Okay, so you can set the sqlx offline. If you want to make this just add to your env, we'll do the right thing and connect to the database. Okay. So let me, so I can't do offline, which is a bummer because now I'm caught in this like situation where I try to do cargo sqlx prepare. Oh, you know what? It's probably because I have to use the sqlx CLI version that matches, right? cargo install sqlx CLI, but this is the old one, right? How do I install this version? Does it have a version? Where is it? Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Cargo sqlx prepare. But then it's going to say, please ensure that the offline feature, okay. Query data is written to, which I have, right? So what if I just do touch sqlx? And let's try it again. Okay. Cat sqlx data.json. Okay, so it actually deleted my old sqlx one. Oh man, what a bummer this is. Okay, all right. Oh my gosh. Jeez. I wonder if anyone's done like Docker. I mean, I'm sure they have. I just wish I knew how to do this. Okay, so .mv sqlx migrate any. Oh my goodness, this is such a pain. I am definitely just dealing with runtime stuff. You know what I should do is, instead of using the macros, I could just change it so that it doesn't use the macros. That's how desperate I am right now for this. Like that's what we're doing here, right? We're finding all query as, right? We're going to do all of them and we're just going to change so that it just does this, right? Oh, I can't do that. Oh, because I'm relying on the jeez, such a bummer. All right. Let me see. Cargo install help. How do I install a particular version? Install version sqlx CLI. Okay, let's see. Only for Postgres. Okay, let me see. Let me do, man, I don't even know what version it is though. Maybe if I go, maybe I do the alpha version, 0.7 alpha.2. Is that what I do? Oh, was it cargo? Oh, it's this right here. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, did I not? Okay. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, cool. So it does exist. Sweet. Okay, that's what I want. I want that version. All right. Okay, cool. Everyone's like annoyed that I'm doing Docker. This is some serious debugging. I don't know if anyone actually spends the time to do this on a stream, but you know, that's my stream, you know, just the most boring thing. All right, let's go to OCaml. Let's go back. Let's see how I can print a string to the REPL here. How do I do this? I'm super confused about this pointer thing, but you know, I don't know. We'll get through it. Functional programming. Oh wait, maybe it's in first hour. Print. Prints the type. Print. Pattern matching. Lists. Length. Okay, so function and then like an array, right? So that's a list. Is that what that is? List? Okay. Map. To create a map, I can do module my user sig. What is this? What madness? Oh, I just do this and then it tells me all the signatures of the map. Oh, thank goodness. I was like, I had to type all this stuff. Oh, we have module my users. My users empty. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, map makes string. So it's a val m colon. It said not to use pointers, but then it said it is going to use pointers. Like this is a reference, isn't it? That's interesting. It's like a functional programming. Let double in list map double. So it's pretty similar to like Lisp, I guess, right? I mean, OCaml's not horrible. Okay, cool. So let's try sqlx prepare. Sweet. Okay, there we go. Query data written to sqlx. Please check this into version control. Oh my goodness, thank you. Man, it did work. Okay, sweet. Okay, so this is gone now, I think. And then this. What if I do it again? Okay, so .sqlx is a directory. Okay. Oh, so they actually changed the format. Ooh, that's a huge change. People are gonna be upset about that. Podman. Okay. All right. The caching's working. Yes. All right, let me see. It's therapeutic to watch somebody else fight with Docker instead of doing it myself. Yeah, it's a man. It's a bummer. This is my first ever Docker build for Rust. So classic Rust fashion. It's very difficult. Simple things are very difficult. So yeah, amazing. Although even like the worst Docker build I think I've ever done is Ruby. That was the worst. Like that was so confusing. I had so many dumb dependencies for Rails. I didn't even know, like I was missing so many things from Ubuntu. It was weird. Like I don't even understand how I'm missing all these system things, but you know, like Nokogiri and all this stuff, like, oh, it's horrible. I'm having internet, so I just hear sporadic comments about Docker. Yeah, Docker. Let me see. Oh, hopefully it's not me. It might be me. All right, let me see. Okay, once this builds and I run this from Docker, I'm gonna be pumped. Yes, it built. Okay, so I have my command, right? My command is to run the server, right? So here I can do podman run. Whoops, podman run. Okay, so this, I tried this earlier. It didn't work. Oh, dang it. Shoot. What is this? What is G? Why do I need glibc all of a sudden? Like, why is it building for version not found? Required by all your links. Oh, is this because I'm doing the distro list thing? Let's at least see what the image size is. Let's prune. That's horrible. Yes. Okay, all my failed attempts. All right, podman image ls. Oh my goodness, are you serious? Okay, here we go. It didn't prune these ones? What? Okay, so let me see. Oh, I have Slim and I have Bullseye and I have Slim Buster. Amazing. Let me see. Oh, I have distro list too. Okay. 53 years ago. All right, so the final Docker container size is actually 38 megs, which is pretty big. So that's probably why they use Slim to begin with. But the distro list thing is missing glibc, right? So I think I'm just gonna, I do like the size of it, but yeah, it's definitely a bummer. I gotta find the Rust small Docker image chef, cargo chef. Distro list. This is what I was using. Oh, here we go. This is okay. So this probably is what I should be doing, right? And then, so it says the build is a long time and the size is a gig, right? Which is crazy. And then you can do like a simple multi-stage thing. And now it's 628 megs, which is better. And then this cargo chef thing is 628 megs, but without distro lists, right? So maybe I'll do that. So I can at least get the cache dependencies. And hopefully I don't have problems with the distro list thing missing glibc, because I don't want to deal with that. That's horrible. So we will just change this to this. And we will change hello to all your links. Okay. Oh, let me make this bigger. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yep. Okay, so we are just gonna use the image. I wonder if I even need this. I wonder, now that I'm using Bullseye, I actually wonder if I need this. So this is gonna be a huge one. It's gonna be like It's gonna be like gig probably or more, I think. All right. So let's do that. Just the last step. That's not that bad. Podman, build. Okay. Oh no, come on. Are you serious? Did the cargo toml change? It has to update the index and run, it has to do all that again? No way, does it really? What's the point of having cargo chef do the multi-stage dependencies if it's just gonna run again? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. If it starts downloading crates again, I'm gonna lose it. It is, yeah. Okay, we'll just leave it. That's fine. All right. Let's see what else about OCaml. That's weird though. Let multiply list. Let f. So this is a closure. Fx equals n times x. Okay, so it has the outer scope. List map f list. Okay, so then you could map f over list, and now you can have multiply. Okay, so it shows you the value. Okay, so now you can do multiply 2, and it'll do, okay, 2, 4, 6. Okay. I mean, it's definitely not as nice as like closure. I mean, it seems like it. Oh my goodness, Elden00, thank you for the follow. That scared me. I don't know why I made that so scary. I should probably change that to something else. Oh, I had a good idea for that actually. Instead of Will Smith in Independence Day. Oh man, what was my idea? I can't even remember now. It was something. It was something better. It was even better. It was like maybe it was like Dexter's Lab or something. I can't remember. Dang it. I can't remember. Oh no, it was gonna be Office Space. And it was gonna be like when the girl was like Michael Bolton. Chipmunky 6809, thank you for the follow. Yeah, it was like it was gonna be was it Office Space? It was gonna be Michael Bolton, or it was gonna be the part where he's off by 1, right? Let's see. Can I find this YouTube Office Space? Michael Bolton surprised. Yeah, let's try that. Or maybe it's no. I don't want to do the layoff scene. That's terrible, especially now. Like that's horrible. But yeah, I also don't have YouTube Premium or whatever. So I did for a while, but yeah. Let me see. We can, oh, you know what? This is going to be muted in this thing, but that's okay. Let me pause real quick. Because I don't think I could do that. Like, I don't think I could watch a YouTube video on YouTube, so that's fine. How do I, like, okay. They're super excited that his name's Michael Bolton. How do I gotta turn this up. Hold on. It's so good though. It's so good. Yeah, I was thinking either The Office or Office Space. That would be really good because I think Independence Day is kind of like weird. Now that I'm thinking about it, and I spent all that time editing that. Oh geez. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I forgot it was up loud. It was loud in my headphones too. All right, I hear what you hear. Okay. All right. Yeah, Office Space would be really funny. I think I should do that. Chipmunky, yes. Yes, I think I should do. I don't. That Michael Bolton scene wasn't that funny to me. I like when he like slips by Lumberg, which I thought was really funny. He tries to get him to work on the weekend or whatever, but it doesn't work because he's like he doesn't even care. Oh, Peter doesn't care to work on the weekends anymore. But yeah, I think either like the Nahinanajad thing, or like Michael Bolton, or yeah, well, I can't even remember. There's so many good scenes though. I'll figure out something. Oh, working on the weekend, yeah. Or baseball bats in the Xerox. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe I should just like do that because I think I could probably edit that so that it's okay. Um, yeah, the baseball bats and to the Xerox in the park. That's like iconic, right? I should probably do that. That's probably the best one. Um, yeah, that's really good. I mean, honestly, anything from Mike Judge is genius. Like I would even do like Silicon Valley stuff from HBO. Like that'd be fun. Let me see. It doesn't work in need cargo install. Now let's try the distro list way. Dang, this is super small. 8 megs? Are you serious? What is this? Is this from Slim Buster? Oh, muzzle. Okay, so they actually build it with Slim Buster and then wait, where's cargo build? Oh, this is builder. Cache dependencies. Okay, so the whole point is like cache dependencies. We need static linking. Rust up target. Okay. Cargo build doesn't work. So I need cargo install. Okay. That's where the build is. Yeah. Let's see, how's that doing? Oh my gosh, it takes freaking forever. It's supposed to be cached. It's supposed to be cached. Like, did I do something wrong here? Like with the caching? Like, does it not cache or something? I don't understand. Did I change this somehow up here? I don't think I did. I'm pretty sure I didn't. If I don't change anything up here, I feel like it shouldn't change. But whatever. All right, what else is going on with OCaml? My users add. Is this like a key and a value, or is by adding Fred in his password trigger point? Okay. Val string abster. Okay. Oh, formatting wrapping text. Oh, perfect. Principles boxes. What? What is this madness? What? Hubbox? What? This is crazy. This is crazy. Let me see. Compiling OCaml projects. OCaml C, OCaml opt provided with OCaml. It is useful to. But what's the cargo, right, of OCaml? That's Dune, automated build system. Perfect. Dune, which may be installed with opam install Dune. Yeah, that's what I want. What's this now? The Dune file is a Lisp program? Are you serious? Amazing. I love this already. I'm into it. Instead of a towel, I'm into this. Was a substitute with a Windows laptop? Yeah, that is true. Okay, let me see. Man, I mean, I think the thing about Windows is that the variety of stuff is so big. Like Windows, you can have a really good Windows experience, but more often than not, you'll have a terrible Windows experience because like you have to spend Mac like or Apple money to get like a decent Windows experience, or at least like within the range. Like you can probably spend half as much money, like 50 to 100% of the money that you would have spent on like a equivalent Apple computer. You have to spend that on like a Windows computer to get like a decent experience. Because if you go bottom of the barrel, like you're gonna get what you pay for, and it's terrible. Because I used to have a Acer. Oh my gosh! When I was in college, I used to have an Acer laptop. Oh, it was the worst. Like I installed Linux on that thing so quick, but I couldn't put it to sleep anymore, right? Because it was Linux. So yeah, that stinks. But yeah, the Windows version of that laptop was horrible. It was so slow. It was terrible. Cheap plastic. Like, I mean, like it was the worst. I think I just have really bad memories of Windows, and that's why I'm like so allergic to it. It's probably much better now, except for the automatic install stuff that they do. But yeah. Oh, here we go. Dune init. Okay, let's do that. Let's go Dune init Proj. What is proj? Do an init proj. Initializing components. Okay. Proj. Hello camel. Right. There we go. We can go cd. Oh, you know what? I need the ocaml health. Grep ocaml. Yeah, I need the ocaml LSP. OCaml LSP. All right, here we go. All right, we've got it. We've got it. It's funny that there's an OCaml LSP, but Ruby doesn't have like a decent one. Windows on Very still sucks. Okay, yeah. Mid-range new hardware. Yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, I'm not going to switch back to Windows ever, but yeah, if there was no other option, I would do it. Okay, cool. OPAM again. You know, the tooling actually isn't that bad. Like I don't think it's not horrible. Right? Oh my goodness. Why did I do so many dependencies in this Rust project? Like why did I do this? This is horrible. All right, this is going to be it though. This is going to be the one that works and I'm going to be able to run it. And it's going to run through Docker. And tomorrow I can put it on fly and I could see, everyone can see my bugs that I wrote. Yes. You know what? I should take this last 8 minutes that I'm going to be streaming and I should talk about my next idea that I will have. That's also going to be very buggy. Windows is sadly bloated and has a lot of telemetry. Yeah. I have heard that. I haven't used Windows in forever, so I don't actually know anymore, but Windows has its downsides. Yeah, I only heard that the telemetry is like really aggressive. And like I saw a video where this person was upset because Windows, like he was ignoring the updates, the auto updates, but after like a week or something, the whole thing, it just overrode what he wanted. And it started the update without him. Like he was in the middle of doing something and it just had a big banner across the screen that said update starting now or in like 2 minutes. And he was like so mad. The bloat isn't as bad as it's reputed to be. Telemetry has gotten a lot worse in Windows 10 11. Yeah. Oh yeah. I think he was using Windows 11. I think he was upset because he couldn't not do the update, right? I mean, I guess you can like disconnect from the internet. And you can do that. But I don't even know if but he didn't say anything, so I don't know. But yeah. Okay, yes. The reason I don't like Windows, I think on the lower end stuff, and I don't like Android is because if you buy a Samsung Android, they're gonna put a bunch of stupid stuff on your phone, right? The iPhone does not have that problem, right? I mean, you get Apple bloatware too, so you have like the random apps they put on your phone, like they try to like include a bunch of stuff that you won't ever use, like Apple Music, or like Freeform, this new app Freeform. Like it seems like a good idea, but it's just appeared on my phone, and I was like, "What is this? Delete it." So the Apple does it too, but it's not as bad. I don't know. I don't think it's possible to set up to allow you to only update, but you have to hunt for the setting. Oh, okay. Yeah, he seemed like it was impossible, right? Like he seemed like, oh, that's just not a thing that can happen. Ooh, I'm so excited for this Docker. I'm so excited for this thing. Yes. Perfect. Compiling my app now. It compiled already. Or at least it is currently compiling. I mean, it already found the problem with the unused import. I'm super excited about this. I just want this to work just one time on the stream. And then whoever watches my stream, like the recording, they can be like, yeah, I'm never gonna have this person work in DevOps ever. All right, let's see. So we'll try it. Podman run. Whoops. Podman run. Moment of truth right here. Yes. How long did it take me? How long did it take me to do this stupid thing? How long? How long have I been streaming for? What does it say? We gotta mark the time. Okay, it took me an hour. Well, if you include the original 15 minutes or the original 20 minutes of the other stream, then an hour and 40 minutes. Okay. It only took me, and the last stream, if you include the last stream where I was like messing around with Docker. So probably like 2 hours, like, probably like 2 hours total to get this stupid thing working. Amazing. Like incredible. I'm so happy that this is working. You have no idea. Okay. So let's try to actually like hit it, with a request curl localhost, 9001. 127 0.0.1. Oh my gosh. Doesn't it say that though? Did I not do the ports right? Is it 9001, right? And I have my end file here, right? Well, at least the Docker container ran, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna get out of here in like 4 minutes. I should find someone to raid. I should find someone to raid because I don't ever raid enough, and we should get. You know what? You guys tell me who to raid. I think that Chrissy Codes is cool, but yeah, it could be anything. Just building stuff in Rust. It could be whoever. Yes, Chipmunky. It was I always say this, but it's probably my worst stream ever. Like, it's probably the worst stream ever. But you know what? But we're getting better every time. Okay. Oh, I only use Windows for work. Hour and a half. Yes. A handful of games with anti-cheat doesn't work on Linux. Anti-cheat that doesn't work on Linux. Yeah. Is that like, that's Steam, right? Okay, so we'll do Chrissy Codes. We'll either do sqlx burn or Chrissy Codes. We'll do Chrissy Codes. Oh my gosh, she's not even there. She's not even there. Are you kidding? McGarvey was totally right about his tweet about empty chair streams. I feel like I'm the only one who sticks around for 2 hours, I never take breaks. Never surrender. All right, we'll wait until she's back. Even though I really want to get out of here. Let's see. Most Steam games work fine, but Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat doesn't. Oh, interesting. Yeah. I played a game. I visited my brother last year, and I played a game with him. A PC game. I think we played Overwatch. I never play games, so I have no idea about any of that stuff. But I'm pretty sure it was Overwatch. Did I just come to this stream at the wrong time? Is that what happened? Like, is this what's going on? I noticed that Chrissy Codes also streams late at night like I do. I don't know her like time zone, but I'm sure she's on the West Coast probably. Otherwise, it would be, well, if it was East Coast time, it'd be midnight already. So I don't think she does that. All right. Wow, this is really taking forever. Let's see what sqlx burn is up to. Yeah. Oh, he's doing Rust though. Maybe we should do that. But he's talking about Diablo. All right, we'll just raid. Because Chrissy, let's see if Chrissy's back. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll just raid. We'll just raid sqlx burn, and we'll just raid him. Oh, there you go. Oh, perfect. It's all gonna work out then. There you go. Perfect. Yeah.